So today, no, we have here grade 9. They are performing bound salad, no, a kind or classification of salad. Why bound salad?
Kay kay
Gagamit og
kanang mayonnaise.
gagamit og mayonnaise. So mo na siya i-combine. Then ang mayonnaise, mo patapot mo ng meaning no bound salad. Okay. Before inanin nyo i-combine ninyo inyong gilatan ang macaroni. We have here your macaroni no inyong gibutangan og unsay gibutangan ni day? Gatas and mayonnaise, no? So ina iyang effect. Oh. And you are going to add asa inyong fruit igamit or vegetable na? Okay. So mo na siya. No, inyong gibutang sa inyong gibutang day? Condensed, no? And inyong sa inyong i-add nga ka fruits or vegetable?
Apple.
Okay, apple.